What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will replace the door lock switch for the lid on a top-loading LG washing machine to fix the DL error. I did it without removing the top section from the washer. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Now, let's get started. So, I have an LG top-loading washing machine, specifically model number WT7800CW. It's only a year and a half old, but when I try to start a wash cycle, I get the DL error. This is a lid lock switch error. The lock switch is located here. A little rod extends out and locates into a pocket here on the lid to lock it closed. The wire for the switch runs this path, around here, into the back of the control panel. And before we get into it, I just want to point out that I'm filming through this little gap that I can barely fit my hand in. It's only about an inch tall, so please excuse some of the rough camera work ahead. Just peeking in above the drum from the inside, the switch is visible. Here it is. Now let's replace it. I did it with the washer intact. I did not remove the top section of the washer. First, unplug the washer. Next, remove the back cover from the control panel. There are 3 screws on top. Here, here, and here. There are also 2 more screw locations along the bottom, but mine were unused and did not have screws present. Remove the screws. Then pull it off. I muscled it, and it popped off with some significant force. But try to lift up while removing it, to release some locating tabs inside. Here are the tabs on the ends of these square posts. And they pop into these square holes. Now remove the steel cover. There is 1 screw here that holds it on. Remove the screw. Now there are 3 locations along the top where it is locked into place with plastic tabs. Use the flat screwdriver to release it from the plastic tabs. Now it will swing open. And here is the plug for the lid lock. There is a tab on the back side that you just press and hold down to release the plug while you pull it out. And the cord goes down through the hole into the washer. Over the bar, through a retaining clip, through a second retaining clip, through a third retaining clip, and here is the switch. So I did see instructions elsewhere to use a putty knife to pop 2 clips, then the top portion of the washer can be lifted up for easy access. From what I can tell, that's not happening on this specific washer. I may be wrong, but I inspected the joint from the inside, and from what I can see, the top and bottom are screwed together all the way around. So I removed and installed everything through the gap above the drum inside the washer. It was no problem. First, stuff the plug end of the cord down through the hole into the washer. Then, pull the cord over the support bar. The first clip must be removed. Pinch the bottom closed with some needle nose pliers to release it, and pull it up and out. Do the same for the second clip. The third clip is split and does not need to be removed. And last, there are 2 screws that hold the switch in place. remove the 2 screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. And now the switch and the wire harness is free. Here's the old switch. The specific switch in this specific washer is EBF61674804. Oddly, I could not find this one on Amazon. The 02 is no problem, but I could not find 04. They pretty much look the same to me, and it was tempting, but I couldn't find confirmation, so I just got another 04 off eBay and didn't worry about it. But the 02 is easier to find and costs less, so when I find a definitive answer, I will leave it in the video description below. Here is the new switch. Laying them side by side, the new one doesn't have the blue clips, so I transferred them over. These clips just use the zip tie mechanism to attach to the cord. Just use something small and flat to lift up the locking tab, which will release it, and it can be reused. And now transfer them to the new switch. With the new switch ready, let's install it in reverse order. First, here's a quick look at how the switch attaches. Install the 2 switch screws. Next, insert it into the split clip. Then, move it along and install the next clip. Just press it into the hole and it will lock in. And repeat this to install the last clip. Route it over the bar and up through the hole into the back panel. Plug it in. Pop on the steel cover over the 3 plastic clips. Reinstall the screw. Pop the plastic cover on the back and install the 3 screws. And plug it back in. Now we're ready to wash some clothes. The switch locked, there is no DL error, and it's back in action. So that's how I did it. It was pretty straightforward and smooth overall. The most challenging part was trying to film the process. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful. Subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Drop any comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.